You want to make a dynamic website, but where to start? Let's break down the thought process of someone who wants to build a robust dynamic website and the steps they might take. First, let's clarify the concept. Unlike static websites, which are the same every time you visit them, a dynamic website changes based on user interaction, content, or context, such as the time of day. This means you need to understand many different technologies to deliver a great website experience. So what does it take to build one? On the server side, you might use a language like PHP, Ruby, or Python to handle the logic and run queries on a database like Miscal. On the client side, you may use JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue.js to build a single-page application. But wait, there's more. To build a dynamic website, you need to think about how you will deliver content to the user. Options like WordPress or Drupal can help you build a dynamic site without writing much code. These platforms provide templates and plugins that can be extended to meet your needs. But let's think like a user. What if you want the user to submit content like a comment form? You'll need to write code to handle that. Also, you want the site to respond to user clicks. Without reloading the entire page, this can be done with Ajax. Now let's consider some key characteristics of dynamic websites. A dynamic website can be personalized. For example, you could greet a logged-in user by name or show content tailored to their interests. Dynamic websites also provide dynamic updates. Imagine displaying real-time data such as stock prices or weather updates. Interactivity is another important aspect. Think about features like surveys, chat applications, or games that can make your website more engaging. Content management is crucial. Dynamic website should allow you to update content easily without requiring technical expertise. What are the benefits of a dynamic website over a static one? Dynamic websites allow you to deliver personal content tailored to each user. They enable easier and more frequent updates, leading to better search engine optimization. And most importantly, they are scalable. As your business grows, a dynamic website can accommodate increased traffic and expanding functionalities. Let's look at some examples of dynamic websites. Giants like Amazon, Facebook, and Wikipedia are all dynamic websites. Each uses different technologies, but they all adapt and personalize content based on user actions and preferences. Building a dynamic website involves several steps. First, choose a server-side technology stack, including the programming language and database. Select a front-end framework, if needed. Add client-side scripts. Integrate the database, and don't forget to implement security measures. As your website grows, you might face challenges like scalability, security, and performance. Regular updates and secure coding practices can help mitigate risks like SQL injection. For scalability, consider using cloud hosting and a CDN. To optimize performance, use efficient CSS and images. The future of dynamic websites is exciting. Trends like AI-driven personalization, real-time features, headless CMS, and low-code platforms are making it easier than ever to build dynamic websites. Even individuals without coding experience can now leverage no-code tools to create sophisticated, interactive experiences. In conclusion, building dynamic websites is a blend of technical skills, strategic planning, and a passion for staying updated with the latest trends and technologies. By understanding the key elements and addressing potential challenges head-on, you can create a dynamic website that engages users, adapts to their needs, and helps you stand out in today's competitive digital landscape.